Dear students, in continuation of viscose rayon manufacturing process, after ripening, the ripened solution is now ready for spinning. The spinning of viscose into a fiber involves the many basic reactions, or you can say the basic approaches, and mainly the reactions are carried out is first the coagulation and then regeneration. Coagulation is a type of gelation, or you can say the converge into gel filaments, and it is carried out with the help of salt forming agent or coagulating agent. This salt forming agent is sodium sulfate, and regeneration is carried out by the acid, that is sulfuric acid, a regenerating agent, and a deswelling agent is also used. This deswelling agent is zinc sulfate. It make an intermediate compound and then convert into a finally pure cellulose via xanthic acid conversion. Now you can see here, in a standard viscose rayon spinning process, the viscose solution of 30 to 50 poise viscosity made with 32% CS2 is spun into an aqueous acid salt spin bath of following type of bath composition at a temperature of 45 to 50 degrees centigrade. You can see here in the coagulating and regenerating bathtub, the main constituents of the regenerating bathtub is sulfuric acid 8 to 10%, sodium sulfate 16 to 24%, zinc sulfate is 1 to 2%, and the spinning speed is may be kept as up to the level of 100 meters per minute. Means mostly in the case this is 30 to 60 meters per minute with a very high number of spinning holes in a per spin rate is kept. When the filaments are being formed in the bath, simultaneously many processes takes place, during which the first the gelation takes place, and then acidification and solidification takes place, and during this the action of zinc sulfate also work as a deswelling agent. And as the filament formed is collected, or you can say first take up by the first take up roller, the spinning speed speed of the first take up roller is kept high, then the extrusion speed slightly higher is kept, so that the spinning is during spinning up to a certain level of orientation can be achieved. In the subsequent processes, as the filament formed, finishing, the filaments are subjected to first washing and desulfurization, to a treatment with a solution of sodium sulfide or sulfite for dissolving the sulfur deposited on the filaments, and furthermore the following operations are carried out, such as bleaching with the help of sodium hypochlorite or hydrogen peroxide or sodium chloride, and soaping or oiling to soften the filaments, and final drying. In the many spinning bath nowadays, the zinc based or non zinc based spinning bath is used to modify the structure, final viscose rayon yarn structure with a modified rayons. But before go to the modified rayons, one have to look in the basic reaction takes place. You can see here in the basic reaction takes place, you can see here, as the cellulose soda cellulose xanthate, you can see here, it react with direct, if you can see the direct conversion here, the H ion, this H ion react and it convert into its intermediate product, that is cellulose xanthic acid. This cellulose xanthic acid here means the soda cellulose xanthate, this convert into cellulose xanthic acid, and this rapidly convert into split, you can say the split into the pure cellulose and CS2. Again listen my words, in the chemical reaction involved, you can see here the soda cellulose xanthate, this one is with the help of H ion activity, it convert into its intermediate product, this is called the acidification. This is cellulose xanthic acid. This cellulose xanthic acid is rapidly convert into pure cellulose and CS2, while that compound, intermediate compound forming agent, that is a zinc sulfate, and also work as a intermediate compound forming agent, intermediate compound formation. Then you can see here the soda cellulose xanthate is react with zinc ion, and this zinc ion intermediate it convert into, you can see here, the zinc cellulose xanthate, which slower down the reaction, and further the slowly convert into the H ion, and that convert into again cellulose xanthic acid and get convert into pure cellulose. Means you can understand here there are the two way reaction mechanism to carried out, is one is very rapidly and converted to pure cellulose, and other via addition of zinc ion and then convert into finally pure cellulose. So that's why the role of zinc ion is very important. If we see in the non-zinc spinning process under normal conditions of acid concentration in containing bath, spinning bath, the cellulose xanthate gel is converted into cellulose xanthic acid and then to a cellulose. This process is very rapid and regeneration takes place before the cellulose molecules can be properly oriented. This results in rather disoriented matrix and poor crystalline formation, and that's why the resultant regenerated cellulose filament is possess poor dry strength as well as very poor weight strength. Furthermore, if we see, if the zinc ion is present, then what will happen? It results in an intermediate or transient zinc cellulose xanthate, and which is more stable against acid induced regeneration. Zinc being a bivalent, having bivalency, forms transient crosslinks between the adjacent xanthate groups. Coupled with this cross-linking, the strong deswelling action of zinc results in a tough shrunken zinc xanthate gel, which can be stretched to a high degree before regeneration, and resulting in a highly oriented structure with small crystal sizes and a relatively larger number of crystals. The formation of zinc xanthate is depends on the H ion presence and as well as OH ion presence, and the diffusion balance between them with zinc ion, and therefore the concentration of acid in the bath is highly influenced by the activity of zinc. The activity of zinc with the formation of zinc xanthate is manifest only over a specific range of acid concentration, generally between 2.5 to 7% H2SO4 concentration in the bath. In a very weak acid bath, the transport of zinc ion is hindered due to zinc hydroxide precipitates, which effectively block the diffusion of zinc ions into the filaments. At high acid concentration, the protons move faster than the zinc ions and cellulose is regenerated without passing through the zinc xanthate state. So thus the strong deswelling action of zinc concomitant with the formation of zinc xanthate is evident only at a specific range of acid concentration. In this table, you can see the basic reaction involved in the viscose process is the stripping, in which the cellulose is react with caustic soda NaOH and get converted into soda cellulose, which is highly reactive in nature. Then this soda cellulose is react with next process with the CS2, that is xanthation, and this xanthation, during this xanthation process, the soda cellulose get converted into its derivative, that is sodium cellulose xanthate, and also another reaction takes place parallelly, that is sodium trithiocarbamate is formed, and then this sodium cellulose xanthate then further mix in the, or you can say the dissolution process, in a dilute solution of NaOH, which completely dissolve this, and a viscous solution of 30 to 50 poise is formed. Then finally ripening, during this only the redistribution of xanthate group takes place, and initially the viscosity drops and reaches to again original value. And spinning, finally during the spinning, the regeneration takes place by the help of H ion activity, and it convert into pure cellulose again plus CS2 plus sodium sulfate. This is the spinning of viscose rayon process. Thank you.